Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. I hope you are all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Kale. I just like to open up blind boxes, relax, get cozy, and have a good time. If that's something you're into, feel free to go down below, hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up. I'm in a race with my Pokemon channel to see which one hits 100 subscribers. I have a feeling we can do it here on this channel, and the support has been amazing so far, so I really appreciate each and every one of you for getting cozy and hanging out with me. Okay, so I have good news and I have bad news. I'll give you all the bad news first. So the bad news is I ordered this probably, I would want to say, on Christmas Eve, and I didn't expect it to get here anytime soon. And I just got it in the mail the other day, and when I received the package, it looked like this. So I opened it, and here's the bad news. What is this? Like, what are we doing? Why is my almost $200 box showing up like this? I love you, Pop Mart. Your collectibles and everything are quality, but the shipping, like, there was nothing to protect this box at all. There was no bubble wrap, there was nothing. It was just in a box about the size of this box. I guess someone used it as a seat, who knows? The good news is, well, I emailed them. I'm in communications with Pop Mart customer support right now. I just want them to be aware that this is happening, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that this is happening to, but I would understand a small, little thing like that maybe, but this is just unacceptable. I am gonna open this, and we're still gonna do a nice cozy unboxing, and we're gonna have a good time and turn a negative into a positive. The Labubus should all still be fine. It just sucks. It's just, I was really excited to get this and open it, and to just receive this, it's just, it's unfortunate, and it's a bummer. But I will keep y'all updated on the results from the emails. At the very least, I just want them to be aware that this is happening and up their shipping game, because that's just not okay. So there's my little story. There's my little rant. So I got this as a free gift for ordering around Christmas time. They had like a promotion going on, and it's a Powerpuff Crybaby mirror pendant, and it's really heavy. Don't know what I'm going to do with this. This will probably end up being a gift. Pretty cool freebie. All right, I will talk to y'all at the end of the video, and enjoy this unboxing. Alright friends, that's gonna do it for today's video. I had a lot of fun unboxing these. I hope you enjoyed. Drop down in the comments, let me know which one is your favorite. Have you opened any exciting macaron? If so, let me know which ones you've pulled in the comments. If I had to choose a favorite, it's really difficult because I love them all so much, but I would have to choose soy milk, toffee, or sea salt coconut. Between those three. Thank you again so much for being here and hanging out with me. I can't wait for next month's video. This year I'd really like to ramp up videos to at least twice a month. No promises on that, but just know that I am working towards that. I'm really looking forward to February's video. I'll give you a hint, it's not Labubu. So make sure you're subscribed, you have notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, say hello, let me know what you thought of the video, and I will see you next month in February. Peace.